Alright, so we got a couple more weeks. Getting warmer in the 80s in the afternoon. We got our cocktail tree. It's blooming some flowers again. We're probably going to get another set of fruit on this thing. Looks like this is the lemon branch. And over here, let's see. I think that wasn't one of the orange branches. And in the back was the grapefruit. And let's see, I don't know if that's flowering. That already, I think, flowered earlier. Oh, wait, we got some flowering going up on the top, too. So, I might get another set of fruit again. Some citrus. Our cauliflower is growing in some of the pots over there. And we did some fixing of the yard. Put some sod down, watering the heck out of it from where all the building and construction we're doing, and the dogs tearing it up, just laying in there. Got our flowers going on in the back over here. Almost done with our sunroom project. Finally passed the framing and electrical inspection. And windows and door inspections all done. Just need to move on to installation and start walling. But we got our garden growing. Since it's getting warmer, we've been watering everything. We got all kinds of stuff coming in. Now, all our vining plants, cucumbers and squash, and that was zucchini over there, and green beans here coming up in there. We only planted a couple things of squash because I think me and my husband are the only ones that eat squash. The cucumbers coming up. Oh, we actually got carrots finally, because all this fencing I put up stops that one, that little puppy right there, from jumping in the boxes and digging. And in the back, oh yeah, over here, you can see we have some of the leaves starting to grow right there, and a couple spots on the vines down there. These are all our grapevines coming in. They're starting to leaf. Tell spring's coming. And we got some door strips up. Keep that moisture in here for the greenhouse. Kids like running through it. A lot of stuff we removed out of the little plants, but we'll need to move these. Which ones? These ones. I think there's some more cucumbers. And then literally my daughter ate an apple, spit out the seeds, and planted it. Those are her apple seeds. I'm gonna have to figure out where to plant an apple tree, maybe on our other property. Some of our lettuce and Milanese and cabbages are growing. Gonna have to eventually transplant those over into the ground and stake them up for our corn on the cob. Emptied out some of the other bins. Strawberries are still healthy, but they won't fruit till later. Radishes are growing. Well, we emptied those ones. We got our sweet pepper plants over there. They're growing. Transplanted some of our other plants here. Some of the broccoli and cucumber plants. We transplanted down there. We got a lot of leaves going on. For some reason, still dropping leaves everywhere. Wind blowing them around. Some of our eggplants and radishes. And the tomatoes. I need to get some more water on this because past week we've been getting 80-degree weather. 50 in the morning, 80 in the afternoon. and we're cooking our plants. So it gets more water going on those. And we got the watermelon starting to actually grow now finally, right there. Guess it just took a while for them to grow. And of course the pumpkins are actually, pumpkin vines are growing pretty well. Got our center wetland watery area. But I actually threw some wildflower seeds in there, just dumped those mixed boxes to see if something will grow up in there. I don't know if it'll grow, it might be too wet, but they were at the dollar store, so it wasn't too bad. Truthfully, I forgot what we put in there. I transplanted something in there. Forgot to put a tag in that one. So we'll find out what that's growing. It looks like it's vining, so... Oh, I think it was the mixture, the cantaloupe. It was like a melon cantaloupe. It was like two different types of cantaloupe seed ones. It's like a melon and a cantaloupe or something. And we got our blackberries and blueberries kind of growing up right now. They're starting to leaf. Yeah, gotta clean this up. We had the wind blow the other day, and some of the dead branches that fell off some of our shrubs and tree area right there. So clean it up, get the leaves out. We had the kids pick out some of the weeds that are growing. It's the only thing about being back here in the wetland area doing gardens. You'll get a lot of weeds you have to maintain. Not like a normal garden where you can kind of control it better. But that's what we got going on in our garden, backyard. Everything's starting to grow since it's springtime. And that's what we got for today.